Wendy, that man is a private investigator, and he said for about a year he took different jobs paid for by Ed Graziano, mainly involving tracking his wife, for about a year's time. But then he said by the end of December of 2008, there was one request that Graziano made that he flat out turned down. Often heard mumbling under his breath, Ed Graziano sat face to face with the man who claims Graziano asked him to find someone to kill his wife.
He asked if we could meet somewhere.
And did you and the defendant agree to meet somewhere?
Yes.
Where was it that you met?
In a parking lot of an ABC liquor store.
Jeff Wilson is a private investigator who says throughout 2008, Graziano paid him to both follow his wife and place a GPS tracking device in her car. But it's the request Graziano allegedly made in December of 2008 that Wilson says left him scared and confused.
Just wanted to have his wife killed, run into a pole. He said if he couldn't find someone to do it, he would kill her and then kill himself.
Wilson claims he initially told him no and eventually took the information to the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office. And that, the defense says, is exactly why the case should get thrown out.
Mr. Graziano thought this was a confidential relationship with you.
In relation to following his wife, yes.
The defense says Wilson violated the confidentiality that typically exists between a private investigator and their client. That decision ultimately rests with the judge. Graziano has been in jail since last year on these charges, but he's been embattled in legal issues since August 2007 when his son John was severely injured in the car crash. Hulk Hogan's son, Nick Baleo, was driving that car. And a big surprise to the prosecution today was when Graziano's attorney called Debra Graziano, the estranged wife, to the stand. She only testified for about 5 minutes, but Graziano's attorney asked her about Ed's temper. She said he was pretty hot-tempered. And he also asked her if she noticed if he displayed any kind of suicidal tendencies, which she said she wasn't really clear on. It is very unclear why they were pursuing that line of questioning. However, the defense also says they need to call a couple more witnesses, so the judge had to continue this hearing until early September. Live in Clearwater, I'm Carrie Kavanaugh, ABC Action News.